Welcome to Jiujiang, a city in Jiangxi Province where mountains, rivers, temples, and ancient culture blend into one breathtaking landscape. First, Mount Lushan, one of China's most iconic mountains, known for misty peaks, deep valleys, and scenery that inspired poets for over 1,000 years. Second, Donglin Temple. Located at the foot of Lushan, this ancient Buddhist site dates back over 1,600 years and is the birthplace of Pure Land Buddhism. Its peaceful courtyards, chanting halls, and forests create a calm retreat away from the world. Third, Yongwu Highway. Here you'll find one of Jiangxi's most stunning wetlands, plus the famous Yongwu Water Highway, where roads seem to float right above the lake's surface. A dreamlike place for photography and slow travel. Fourth, Xunyang Tower. One of the 10 great towers of Jiangnan and the landmark of Jiujiang. The present tower, rebuilt in 1987 in Song Dynasty style, is surrounded by stone tablets engraved with poems from ancient scholars. Walk along the riverside path toward Wenfeng Pagoda. The two historic structures form a perfect skyline, making the riverside stroll beautifully relaxing. Fifth, Donghu Village Fortress. Home to Asia's longest via ferrata climbing route, a paradise for thrill seekers and adventure lovers. The full route stretches 3,080 meters. Every step clings to cliffs and steel cables, a challenge that pumps adrenaline and rewards you with mountaintop views. Six, Lushan West Sea. Known as the Cloud Residence, West Sea is the world's largest habitat of the rare peach blossom jellyfish. Its islands scatter across crystal blue water like floating emeralds. The Jinlong Bridge connects Ruoxi Island with Wagyu Mountain, stretching across the lake like a dragon. Climb the 99-meter tall Tower Islands and Emerald Mountains, spread out like a giant painting beneath your feet. As the day ends, return to Lushan Mountain Pier to watch West Sea sunset. At night, wander through Donglin Town. Its evening lights and riverside charm make the perfect ending to your Jiujiang journey.
This channel will continuously update cities and attractions in China. Welcome to follow and leave your comments.